Welcome to the Food Forest. My name is Tarana and I'm honoured to be taking on this project of converting about half an acre of bare, degraded soil into an abundant, thriving ecosystem which is resilient and full of food and medicine. I offer communities and individuals the chance to work in harmony with their environment. I offer a solutions-based approach where I give consultations, advice, design and installations of ecosystems like the one you see right here. It's been just over 2 years since I started to take on this project. When I first got here, it was just a paddock that had been used as a golf range. When I came here, I couldn't even get my spade in the ground. It was hard pan clay, and I took it on as a challenge to bring it to this point which we see now. It started with an approach from the ground up, fixing soil, making amendments. It's been a long journey to get where we are now, but without those foundations we wouldn't be here. So to get this system started, we put in a diverse range of cover crop of nitrogen fixing annuals and seedlings that worked as a placenta to start this forest and kick it off into what we see now. We use bananas, pigeon pea and other pioneering species to give our fruit trees the help they needed and to grow biomass on site. We don't need to use any sprays, it's fully organic. We don't buy in any fertilizers. We grow all of our own mulch here on site, and it is the healthiest ecosystem. So here we are now, 18 months later, and we are in one of the most beautiful ecosystems I have ever been a part of. It has been 18 months and we're seeing so much growth, so much health. We're seeing so much food, medicine, insects, birds. I smell the soil, it smells healthy. It's just amazing to be here in such a short period of time and witness the abundance and the resilience that this forest is already showing us. I started this with a big heart and humble intentions, and this has exceeded anything that I could have ever imagined. I truly believe that we as humans can feel a sense of fulfilment, purpose and direction by connecting and contributing to nature. Throughout this project, it has given me so much more hope that I can share this with more people as we all reconnect with the earth and where we come from. So grateful and privileged to be able to do this for work, and I'm so happy to share this with you all, and I look forward to more beautiful people learning how to contribute to their environment, to their community and their own well-being. Thank you. It's resilient and has heaps good soil. Heaps good, brah. And we laid a big cover crop and planted them all ready for the start of... I do know what to say. I do know what to say, it just doesn't come. Yes, it is honestly the best thing ever.